Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to use specific filters and how work the data model. First, we delete this radio list. Then, we drag and drop a filter. Range filter. Next, here you can choose to make a filter without a data source. The goal of this option is to send the parameters through hyperlink and then to update the query. This allows you to work with a large amount of data. For now, we will work on the data source sales. Next, per example, we will make a filter on the date. You can put a modifier like on years. This will give you a list just with the year where you have some data. But we will work without modifier, which will give us a calendar. Here, you can decide when the dashboard loads for the first time. Per example, you can set the values to the value selected when the dashboard was saved, or you can set the value calculated by the following formula. Last month. Then, I resize my filter to the full width of my panel. Now, if we go in display mode, you can choose your date with a calendar, and then update. As you can see, the pie chart didn't get update. It's because I put my filters on the year of the date. So, I need to put no modifier on the date. Now we can see that all my charts react to the filter on the date. Then, in the option of the graph, you can add a title. Choose a date. Change the label. Begin, end, and decide if you need the update button. Moreover, if we had a date time, we could decide to show the time or not. As you can see, your dashboard gets updated each time you change your filter. Finally, we will learn how to use the data model. First, I add a data sources. I call it Test Data Model. I paste my link. Load data. We click on Data Model. As you can see, you can change any of your column to another data type. For example, we will take the date num column. If we put it in string, you can see that you got first the format YYYY In order to be able to use our date num in a date time, we change the data type for date. By clicking on the question mark, you get all the translation of the pattern. We choose the format custom. And for pattern, YYYYMMDD. As you can see, my date num is now convert to a date time and can be used as if it was 1. I would like to thank you for your time. Please watch the next video to learn more about self-service dashboard.